In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Asana app. If this work management tool is not working on your end, or maybe the app can't open, or it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix your app. In the first method, we need to go ahead and access the app info page. To do this, just go ahead and long press on your app and then choose app info. Now, under app info, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data on this app. And of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores whenever you use the app to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve the problem, go to clear data down here and then choose clear cache and delete all the cache, and you can see the cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open it. Now your app should be up and running without any issue. But should this not solve your problem, again come back to app info page. This time around, go again to clear data and choose the first option, clear all data, and OK. And from here, you need to go ahead and log in afresh into your account to start using your Asana work management app. However, should this not solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and find out if we have any update on this app. And you can simply do this through your App Store or Play Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to my Google Play Store, search for the app, and then find out if we have an update. You should see it here. Go ahead and update it to the latest version, and this will fix any issue related to your older version of your app. For my case, I already have an up-to-date app. But should you still experience any challenge, then it means maybe your app contains bugs, and to fix this, go ahead and install your app and then install it afresh to get the latest version of Asana app that is free from bugs. So by using any of these 4 methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.